Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of update on the application of ESPN. We click on settings. In this page we go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you will go down until you find ESPN and you will enter. Here in this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account or can cause you errors on your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.